Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about 7-month pregnancy diet plan. Under dairy products, you should have buttermilk, milk, curd, clarified butter, ice cream. Under fruits, you should have apple, banana, orange, lime, watermelon, lychee, tender coconut water. Under dry fruits, you should have dried fig, dried apricots, almond seeds, raisins. Under green leafy vegetables, you should have spinach, lamb squash, mustard greens, radish leaves, coriander leaves, mint. Under vegetables, you should have cauliflower, broccoli, green peas, cabbage, green beans, spring onions, pumpkin seeds, ladyfingers, potatoes, carrots, cucumber. Under pulses, you should have kidney beans, yellow moong dal, black chana, matar seeds, dal. Under cereals, you should have cornflakes, multigrain bread, wheat flakes, wheat flour, multigrain flour, maize flour. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.